Welcome to this module on subsistence strategies which are used by the Harappan society or Harappan civilization. First, let us see the Harappan culture, then the agricultural technology, what they followed during that period, followed by the plight of Harappa. First, the Harappan culture, as we can see here, it is purely they had a wide range of food products, especially the plants, the leaves, the animal products, including fish. As we know, the Indus River flows through the Harappan sites, and you can see here it is also known as the Harappan Valley because the Indus River also flows here, the Indus Valley civilization. Here, they used to take or consume plants and animal products, including fish. Now, coming to the archaeologist viewpoint, they have been able to reconstruct the dietary practices from the finds of charred grains and seeds. Now, how did the archaeologists able to find out the dietary practices which existed around 2000 years ago? Generally, we all will get these kind of doubts. Yes, of course. The archaeologist's main function is to reconstruct, like a story writer. They try to reassume the things with the findings, with the evidences what they have. So here one such practice, they have findings of charred grains and seeds that made them to reconstruct what are the food habits of the Harappan society people or the Harappans. Now, these are studied by archaeo-botanists. In archaeology only, there are different segments here. Those who study about the chemicals, carbon dating and all the chemists. We have botanists. We also have zoologists. So different sections are there within archaeology. So one such section, botanists are doing the study who are the specialists in ancient plant remains. Botany is a study of ancient plants basically. So the archaeological botanists are studying about the ancient plant remains. Now, what did they find? The grains that are found at the Harappan site includes wheat, barley, lentil, chickpea and sesame. So these are the different types of grains what they are able to find out in the Harappan sites. So one is wheat, barley, lentil, chickpea and sesame seeds, and they are able to figure out that millets were also found from sites in Gujarat location, the present day one of the western states of India, and they are able to find of rice in relatively rare. So it is a clear evidence that rice is not consumed so much by the Harappan people. Now let us look at now clearly, as we know completely, what is the Harappan culture regarding the food habits. As archaeologists, they are trying to reconstruct the dietary practices of the Harappan people by their findings, by their studies and by the evidences what they got. What is the first evidence that they got? That they are able to see that the Harappans are able to eat, means they consumed a wide range of plant and animal products. That is, they are not purely vegetarians and not purely non-vegetarians. They are a combination of veg and non-vegetarians here. They consumed fish because they have a river there. And they also found that there are wheat, barley, lentil, chickpea and sesame millets are found in some places of Harappan sites. Millets exclusively in the sites in Gujarat, and rice is rarely found, not so predominantly found in the sites. And these are the studies which are made by the archaeology department, and there are botanists who are studying about the plant remains, who are specialists in that particular plants. All these people team are putting their efforts to figure out what are the food habits of the Harappan people during that period.